Hey, what's up? My name is Beth and this is Star Makeup. So I just wanted to do this semi-quick video just to explain why I kind of like dropped off the map for a little while and to show you guys some of the things that are going to be coming up soon on my channel. So basically, like, my kids went back to school and the stress of that with, you know, the situation that we've got going on worldwide, and I don't know, all of that, I guess I was having like self-confidence issues. I just went into like a pretty bad depression for a little while there. I stopped doing all of my skincare, so like my skin looks horrible right now. I didn't wear makeup pretty much the entire time from like the last video that I posted until pretty much today. I've kind of dabbled a little bit over the last week or so. But yeah, that's about it. So yeah, I just kind of didn't feel like really doing anything except for my necessary day-to-day kind of things. So I just kind of wanted to, you know, address that a little bit. I think people should talk about mental health and how it affects everything in their lives. So yeah, I'm feeling much better now. I have so much stuff that I want to show you guys. I got a new desk because it's going to solve a lot of my storage problems. So that's really exciting. My background kind of looks like shit right now because I'm trying to move everything around and make it all work as best as I can for me, because this room, which is my like studio, is a very small space. So yeah, I'm trying to figure out how to make it all work. So yeah, I mean, that's all I can really think of that I need to share for that. Now, I would really like to share what's going to be up and coming on my channel. Okay, so first off, I think I want to start with what I've got on right now. I picked up basically the entire new Juvia's Place holiday collection. So I got this full set of the lip balms, and I got the Nubian Glow and the Nubian Royal palettes. And that is what I'm wearing on my eyes. I did film a first impression using these, and I decided to use both palettes together instead of having to edit two looks. I would just put them together, so that's what they look like. I did do swatches of everything that I'm about to show you, and I will insert all of those swatch videos into the videos that I'm using those palettes. I'm also going to put them up on my IGTV, so check out my Instagram if you want to see any of these swatch videos. With that order, I also picked up the Violets palette because I've wanted this for quite some time. I really liked the Berries palette, so I wanted to get this one too. And I figured that it would go very nicely with the Nubian Royal. So I've got that. I haven't tried that one yet. I haven't tried any of these. I'm super excited about this too. I was looking for a particular Juvia's Place palette that is not sold anymore. I was able to find it on Mercari, and it was being sold in a bundle with other Juvia's Place palettes. So one of the palettes that was in that bundle was the Juvia's Place Tribe palette, which I already have. But I went ahead and got the palette anyway, so I have set that Juvia's Place palette aside in a box that I have of stuff for a giveaway. So at some point in time later, once I've gotten, I don't know, maybe 100 subscribers, I'll do a giveaway or something. So that will be in a giveaway that I will do on my channel at some point. The Zulu is another one of the palettes that was in that bundle, which I have also wanted this one for quite some time. And basically the person that was selling these had just swatched them, hadn't used any of them. One of them wasn't even swatched at all, like it hadn't even been touched. So it was awesome. And this is the one that I had been looking for so long. And don't you know, yesterday I got an email that it was actually back in stock on the website, but it's already sold out. So if you want this palette too, you're gonna have to look for it unless they restock it again, but I have a feeling they won't. But this is the Douce palette from Juvia's Place, and I have been dying to get my hands on this thing. I love this color story so much, so I am super excited about that. So that was pretty much my Juvia's Place haul, even though it didn't all come straight from Juvia's Place website. So yeah, that's all of that. Okay, so I also put in an order through Beauty Bay. And when I did that, I picked up these two Ordinary products. This one is a lactic acid 5% plus HA. This is like a peeling solution. Haven't tried this yet, but I will let you guys know how it works because I really need to tackle my skincare again. And then I also got the Caffeine solution 5% plus EGCG, which is basically for like your under eyes and all of that. So we will see how that works for me. I also decided to pick up this brush set from Spectrum. I have seen Butte Bean use these and love them for quite some time. So I decided that I wanted to give them a shot too, and they are just so freaking pretty. Like, look at how pretty these brushes are. So I have these to try out, which I will definitely do in a video soon. I also picked up the Crayon eyeliner trio that they did. I decided to get the one that had the blue, green, and purple, I believe it is. And of course, these aren't colored based off of what is in them. Let me see here. Yeah. So I've got, they're like pastel. So it's like pastel, blue, purple, and green. So we are definitely going to be trying those out soon. And then I also decided, like the day that I put my order in, they did a couple of other ones. What was this? No, you know what? I'm wrong about that. So they also had a set that was, I believe, pink, orange, and yellow. And you could buy all of these individually. So I didn't want the orange or the yellow because I have like really good orange and yellow ones from LA Girl. But I did decide to pick up the pink one. So I got all of those and we will check them out. And then the thing that I was the most excited about is I got the Nikkie Tutorials palette. I'm so psyched about this. I was bummed because I couldn't get it when it initially launched. So I am so happy that they decided to do a restock. And like I said, I do already have swatches of this done. So cannot wait to play with this. The shimmers swatched so beautifully. I mean, this palette was like amazing. So I can't wait to play with that on my eyes. So let me see, there's that. I also picked up a couple little things from Glamlite because I had never tried them before. And when I saw this guy announced, I was like, ooh, I think that's what's finally going to make me try the Glamlite formula. So I will probably do several videos using this because, I mean, come on, it's stunning. I also picked up the chocolate taco lashes from this launch, and man, these are so pretty. Like, oh, are they not stunning? So love those. And I also decided to pick up the one set of lashes from the pizza. Did they really just fall out of that? They totally did. And I totally can't get to them right now. But they're beautiful too. So that will be another video that we will do. And then I also have this little guy that I thought that I missed out on this palette too, and then it ended up coming back for a short period of time. So I had to grab it. I'm trying to open up this little jelly shadow that I got from the same brand. This is an Ipsy brand. Oh, there we go. So this is from Rebel Rogue Labs. This is just their little jelly eyeshadow. It comes in this cute little thing. And I got the shade Analog. And apparently I had it in there upside down. But that is what it looks like. And I mean, it's basically just like the ColourPop Jelly Mutt shadows. Works very similar to those. And the palette that I had been dying to get my hands on, that was supposed to be discontinued, and thank God it came back, is the Suspended in Dusk palette. This is what it looks like. And I have been a huge Typo Negative fan for years and years and years. So I didn't know that this existed until after it was discontinued, and then thank God she brought it back and I managed to get my hands on it. So I'm super excited to do as many videos as I can with this because I think I'm going to fall in love with that palette. Let me see, I've got so much stuff to show you guys. I also picked up this guy, which is from Lorella. It is a lash box. So you can store like all of your glue, applicators, all of that stuff down here. This is just like a pull-out drawer. And it's got two sides on it, and then there's 3 drawers in here that actually have, hoping I can do this without losing anything. It actually has like the little U-shaped cutouts for you to attach your lashes to so that you can keep them all nice and organized. So I picked that up to try to help me keep my lashes organized better. And I also picked up some more brushes from Lorella. These are like really nice small little blending brushes. So I think these are going to be awesome. What else? I also picked up some singles from Give Me Glow. I've got them on one of their giant palettes. I'm not going to show you all of them right now because it would take me a little while. But yeah, I got quite a few of their singles, which I already had quite a few of before. And then I got like 5 of these giant palettes. And I mean, they are huge. Because I have a bunch of stuff that I wanted to like repan, and I wanted to be able to have like one palette for each brand of single shadows. So like I've got a ton of Davina shadows, and I wanted to be able to have like one palette that was all Davina. You know, I have a bunch of Pinky Rose singles. I wanted one palette for all Pinky Rose shadows. So yeah, those giant ones, because they're not perfect, they actually call them blemished palettes. They're only $10, so I grabbed like 5 of them. So there's that. And let me see, the only other thing, I picked up a bunch of cool stuff from Ipsy, along with like my normal glam bags. I got the Glam Bag Plus and the regular glam bag again this month, so I will be doing videos on them. But I also picked up some things in like the flash sales. I got like that special winter collection palette. But the other thing that I grabbed not from them is I got like a ton of stuff. I can't even show it all to you. Like, I got a foundation stick, bronzer, powder. I got a whole bunch of liquid eyeshadows, some liquid lip formulas. Let's see. I got an SPF primer and an SPF setting spray, the liquid blush, all of this shit. I'm gonna do like a full face of Milani. And then I picked up this Gilded Jade palette. That's what that one looks like. And then the thing that set me off to do all of this is because I saw this palette online and I was like, oh man. So I went to the website because I couldn't find it on like Walmart or Amazon or Ulta, anywhere. So I went to their website, saw that they accept Afterpay, and just basically lost my mind. They were having a really good sale, and yeah, so I was like, I'm gonna do a full face. The only thing that I am missing is I don't have a Milani mascara. But since I do false lashes and they don't make false lashes, I think we can cheat a little bit on the mascara. I also don't have an eyeliner like for my waterline from Milani either, but you know, that's really not a big deal. So yeah, I think other than all of my Ipsy stuff, I think that's pretty much it. So, at least everything that's gotten to me yet. I do have some other things that are still on the way. One of them, which hasn't even shipped yet, is the Shroud X Butte Bean palette. I totally grabbed that as soon as I could. I wasn't part of the initial sold out in like 60 seconds launch. I got it a couple of days after that. So it may be a while until that gets here because, you know, Shroud is a one-woman show. She's pressing everything by herself, you know, putting all the pans into the palettes, wrapping them, shipping them, so it's gonna be a while. So yeah, that is definitely something to look forward to. I'm going to lose my mind when I get that palette. Probably do a lot of looks with it. So yeah, that is kind of where I've been, and I've been, you know, kind of working on getting everything straightened out and try to get a schedule down. So hopefully I will be able to crank out a whole lot more videos for you guys. Hopefully I can utilize this space a little better now. So yeah, keep your eye out for all of this stuff coming up soon. I'm going to edit this video and the Juvia's Place holiday video pretty much at the same time, so they're going to get posted kind of back to back. So keep your eyes out for both of them, and I will catch you guys later. Bye.